Welcome to Innova's 60-second solutions. I'm Amy and today I'm going to introduce you to our e-commerce tape range in under 60 seconds. 3 tapes, 1 seamless process, keeping your e-commerce packaging efficient, secure and customer ready. Let's take a look at the standout features and what they mean for you. Designed for seamless changeovers in high-speed production, delivers instant grab and reliable splice strength for continuous operation. Keeps production running smoothly, so no downtime. Engineered for exceptional quick stick and cohesive strength. Available with an optional non-tear liner for faster application. Ideal for e-commerce wraps, POS boxes and parcels. Provides clean, easy opening without tools or damage. Offers high bond reliability and effortless application. Available in multiple widths and finishes to suit any packaging design. The Innova e-commerce tape range. Reliable performance, faster application, smarter results. Order your e-commerce tapes today and experience the difference. That's another Innova 60-second solution.